LRC14 is an eco-friendly water-based leather colorant paint to recolor your pigmented leather, which is the same sort of type of leather that you get in like most modern car seats and most sofas. It will not work on aniline, suede or nubuck, just so you understand, but anything that's a two-tone leather where you've got two different colors shining through with like a lighter or darker patch, works perfectly fine on those. Chesterfield sofas and chairs and things, brilliant for that sort of thing. Very easy to use. Give it a little shake beforehand. A little top tip. Obviously all products should be filtered before you use them. We put a paint filter over the top of the bottle, screw the cap back on, and you can either use that or something like a pair of old tights or something like that. Same sort of thing, saves throwing them out, but give them a little bit of a shake. Simply apply some to a sponge, like so. And then the first coat you're going to just gently rub into the surface. And as you can see there, it recolours the leather very, very quickly. The second coating, once that's dried, if you were to dry that with a hairdryer, you just simply stipple on like so. It is as easy as that to recolour leather with the Leather Repair Company LRC14 leather paint. It's that effective and that quick to change the colour or repair your colour. leatherrepaircompany.com